Hey, it's Robert here from robertcbrown.online. I hope you're having a spectacular day wherever you are in the world today. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about really the starting point for everything that you want in life. Sounds like a big claim, right? But it really is. So what could that possibly be? Well, essentially, what I'm talking about is the meanings you attach to the things that happen to you in your external world. Now, firstly, in order to control whatever meanings we're attaching to the things that we come up against in our external world, in order to do that, perhaps first we need to understand why we're attaching the meanings that we're currently attaching. Why we're self-sabotaging ourselves by attaching meanings that will disempower us, that will see to it that we never elevate ourselves to the heights that we want to in both life and business. Well, it's purely and simply down to your belief system. It's not even down to what you're thinking, it's down to what you believe innately about yourself and the world you live in. You see, any one core belief that you hold can literally spring off thousands of different thought patterns. A thought is just the result of a belief. So what you really need to do is to go down way deeper, and reprogram your subconscious mind so that you can overwrite the existing beliefs that are creating the patterns of thinking that you have, which will ultimately change your life. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because currently, if you're caught in what I would call a negative loop, which is undermining you and everything you want from life, then what you're doing, you've got a certain set of beliefs within yourself, down deep, right? You've probably held them for the majority of your life, and most of them will have been handed to you by somebody else. They're hand-me-downs, you've inherited them. They're not even really your own beliefs. They're just beliefs you've adopted as your own. But what happens is those beliefs will then fire off thoughts like little rockets into the sky, right? It goes out there into the universe, into your world, and seeks evidence to actually affirm that how you're feeling and what you believe is actually true. This is why it's so very, very difficult to change your life purely on a conscious level, because it takes a while. It takes some effort, and most people give in before that ever happens, before the changes ever manifest. Now, I'm here to tell you that that is absolutely one of the ways that you can change your life and make things flow for you and go easier and bring all the good stuff to you and keep most of the bad stuff away. You can do that by consciously going through a routine of reprogramming. But you have to be conscious of what needs to be done, and you have to be committed to doing the work to make the change happen. And sticking with it after 30 years in this business and working with people of all kinds from all walks of life, 30 years of doing this, I can tell you most people lack the commitment to see them through, to see the change. On some level, they doubt themselves, or they doubt that they can affect the change that they want to see show up. Now, I'm also here to tell you that you absolutely can affect the change that you want to see show up. Look around you right now. Look at the world you're currently living. Look at your frustrations, your pains, the things you wish at the moment that you could change. I got to tell you, you're creating everything you're experiencing right now yourself. On some level, consciously or unconsciously, you are creating what you are living right now. So if you don't like it, change. Change the input, change the output. I hope that makes sense to you. You really do control what shows up in your physical reality. All you've got to do is make a commitment to do some work on yourself. Find out where you're undermining yourself, where you're sabotaging your efforts, and change that so that you start to reprogram yourself in a more positive and empowering way. You see the positive in life, glass half full, right? And you aim for those things. And if you focus the majority of your time on the things that you want in life versus the things you don't want in your life, those things are going to start showing up. Why? Well, I mentioned a few minutes ago that your subconscious mind is consciously going out to seek evidence to support the beliefs you hold through the reticular activation system. Point of the matter is, your subconscious mind can only focus on one dominant thought at a time. So if you're conscious of when you're thinking and speaking in a negative, undermining way, if you're conscious of that, then you can flip the switch and focus on something that's empowering, exciting, inspiring. And all you need to do is tip the balance so that you're focusing on that stuff more than the negative stuff. And as a matter of course, over a period of time, if you stick with it, your subconscious mind will fall in line with that and create a more powerful, more positive, more supportive belief system, which will enable you to go to another level as a person. The formula is be, do, have. In order to do what you want in life and have what you want in life and have enough, indeed, to share with others, you need to first become more. So wherever you are in life and business right now, if things aren't going the way you want them to be going right now for you, stop for a moment, stop focusing on the external problems, stop focusing on the issues within the business, and take a look at yourself first. You'll be glad you did. Start there and everything will change. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm making them every week, so keep checking in and I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye.